Hey guys, thanks for tuning back in. My name is Brandi and you are watching the Brandi Tatianõ Life Events YouTube channel. This week we're going to be continuing our DIY series, Chic for Cheap, where we recreate popular trends to get the look for less. This week I'm going to be showing you how to create gorgeous lace settings for your guys that can also double as favors. So we're going to go ahead and get started so we can see how this turns out. For this project, I used my Cricut 6-bling coasters, transfer tape, as well as rose gold vinyl. I decided to go with this font that I downloaded from defont.com named Olive and combine it with this font that I found on the Cricut design space named Georgia. Now that I have typed out my entire list of names, I'm going to go ahead and click Control A to select them all, and I'm going to attach it so that it prints exactly as I have it laid out when I click Make It. As you can see, it's set to cut and it's going to cut my design as I asked. I press continue, set the dot of vinyl, and let my cut begin. Once your Cricut has completed its cut and you've released your mat, this is what your wording should look like. And the best way to release the vinyl without having it curl is to flip it over and to curl the sticky mat back while you hold the vinyl down. Go ahead and find a corner of our vinyl. We are going to pull that back. Now we are going to go through and weed all the negative spaces out, just really being sure we are being thorough. Now that our cut is done, I want to show you guys these agate look-alike coasters from Pier One, and I'll also be using these quartz coasters that have metallic gold accent. I cut a piece of transfer tape to size and then peeled back the edge to remove the backing. I go ahead and select this bottom name and just smooth this down. Use my scraper to make sure I have absolutely all pieces of it. At the same time, I'm just holding this with my tape to make sure that I'm not losing contact. So now we're gonna go ahead and center our tape directly over our coaster like so that it's in the middle, and then it's literally as easy peeling it up and ensuring that all of your letters stay connected. And that is pretty much how you make the personalized Escort cards. Like I mentioned earlier, they can also be used as favors. I do have to say, I did buy these agate-looking coasters from Pier One for $9.99 each, so it came out to about $32 once tax was included. For quartz-looking coasters, I actually already had 3 of these on hand, so I was able to just go ahead and use the ones that I had. I can link something similar if you guys are interested, but altogether fairly inexpensive considering my budget and what I was able to afford. But I know that $10 per Escort card or coaster can be a bit expensive for some of you, so I'll link some more affordable options below as well. But let me know what you guys think in the comments, if you like this, if you would like to see more content like this, or if you have any other DIY suggestions. Thanks guys, looking forward to hearing from you. Bye. Thanks for watching guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time.